Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gomining token. Now the Gomining token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Gomining token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Gomining token, ticker symbol GMT, just got listed on a central exchange called Bitmart. So this token will be available on Bitmart August 23rd at 2 p.m. UTC time. So if you don't have a Bitmart account, how you get this token is you could simply just download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Go into the trade section, search Gomining. Now the ticker symbol for this token normally is GMT, but on Bitmart they have it listed as Gomining. So you would search that in the on Bitmart and then simply just buy the token with your USDT. Now they probably have it listed as Gomining on Bitmart and not GMT because there may be another token with the same ticker symbol GMT on there. So that's why they changed it to Gomining. Now, the real ticker symbol GMT, this token, you can also get, since it's an Ethereum token, you can get this off Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the GMT token using the contract address that you could find on their official website at gmt.io. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll try to go over that. So token price today is around 10 cents per token. It's down 1% today, which is, nothing basically. It's just staying even. Fully diluted market cap, $38.3 million, and circulating supply market cap, $42.6 million. They already have 9,584 holders, so they're doing very well. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 393,558,794 tokens. So, like I said, this token's on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find their webpage at gmt.io. You'll have to go to gmt.io/EN, which is short for English. So that leads me to believe that this token is, from a different language, probably to begin with, or at least they have multiple language white papers or web pages. You can find a white paper on their page as well. They also have a Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen at Gomining_token, and they also have a Telegram at GMT_token as well. Easy way to earn Bitcoin. So earn Bitcoin via staking the Gomining token, hold our NFTs, and play a game by investing in our products from Gomining. You can buy a part of our real infrastructure that is already engaged in Bitcoin mining. So there's a video tutorial. You can watch how to do it on their webpage. It says there's a getting started guide. Now, it's a pretty cool webpage, lots of cool pictures and everything on here. It says, we make mining accessible for everyone. No need to buy and set up hardware. No problems with equipment or maintenance. No associated risks or headaches. Do everything online. So now they have 9 data centers in different countries. Over 6 years of blockchain development expertise. 350 MW current power capacity of our data centers, $57 million Go mining market capitalization, and over 99% of uptime of mining equipment. Don't trust, verify. Check our capacity details and be sure. So the Go mining token, it says your possibilities. It's accepted as a means of payment when buying NFTs, makes it possible to pay for NFT maintenance, can be used to pay for game mechanics, and is accepted as a means of payment for goods in online stores. So our products, it says they have the NFTs by Go Mining, and the NFTs are backed by real fleets of devices and mine Bitcoin, has a larger return on investment than any real miners, gives you the opportunity to play a game and earn more, and is the cheapest and easiest way to start mining. So then they have staking, so lots of utilities involved here. Fixed staking, so freezing tokens during a staking period will give you 20% annual profit in Go mining tokens. It's got flexible staking, so tokens frozen at a floating percentage will bring daily rewards in Bitcoin during the staking period. The first, NFTs to Bitcoin. So they have the 5,000 NFT collection of the North NFT collection. The inspiration behind this collection was our data center in one of the globe's northern regions. That is the same cold, powerful, and striking pictures here, so you can check out what those look like. Then they have the East collection to showcase our global presence. We've created a series of NFT collections representing the regions we're in. And they have the Khabib collection. This is the memorable collection created in collaboration with the legendary fighter Khabib. I thought it was something else for a second because right away I thought of UFC. But it is about Khabib, so the UFC fighters. And Nurmagomedov, I believe you pronounce, something like that anyways, how you pronounce his name. So they have traditional mining. You can start in several months. Expensive support, maintenance, increasing capacity through more purchases. So you don't want any of that. And what you do want is the NFT by Go mining. Did I say minting? Traditional mining. Start in one day. Go mining team takes over the job and constant NFT power increases for free. Go mining token enables use of data centers and mining hardware. So it's split up between distribution, minting, burning, maintenance, rewards, and mining is how the token's allocated. Now they have a roadmap on here. It's pretty lengthy though. We don't need to go over all that. They have tons of socials, tons of links at the bottom of the page. You could read about this stuff for hours. gmt.io/EN. Check out their Twitter there. And check this token out as of August 23rd on Bitmart. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.